everybody, Chris Shipley, Shipley Pest Solutions. Sunday, temperature's nice out, beautiful, bluebird skies. Finally, we're gonna be going into July with 3 trucks rolling. I've been in business 8 years. Had 2 trucks my second year. Had 2 trucks for about 5 years, 6 years, and then I bought my 3rd truck a year and a half ago. But 2022 was pretty awful. Just life in general. Me in particular, I had 2 knee surgeries that summer. I lost a little over 3 months of working time. And 2022 was rough. It was real rough. My brother was working for me at the time, and then he moved on to better things. And it took us about a year or so to kind of really regroup, my wife and I. I think that's part of the story that people don't understand sometimes. Like, you know, the tortoise always wins, and the tortoise and the hare. And we've always done things kind of slow and steady. I took my foot off the gas late 22, 23 to just kind of, holy cow. Our daughter was born before that, the year before that. And so we had bought a house too. And so really 21 into 22, I mean, we had a year and a half of just tremendous life change. And that glare's bad. And here we go. And it was really rough. I mean, it's kind of hard to quantify how much that takes out of you sometimes, especially having 2 knee surgeries. I tore my meniscus in one knee in March, and then I tore another one in August, and it was just, you know, that was the eat crap year for sure. And just adjusting with life. My wife had quit her permanent job, you know, that she had went to college for, and she was a teacher, and she was coming home and then being the office manager and kind of settling into that role, as well as being an amazing mom. And yeah, kind of a surreal moment to sit here and just have 3 trucks, all basically brand new engines this season, brand new pumps, everything. And so really excited to get the part-time techs, and then really 2025 look to be rolling into have a 2nd full-time technician, hopefully, and it would be amazing to end up with a 3rd full-time technician next year. But it's just, you know, the journey, it's rough sometimes. It's a grind. Anybody that owns their own small business understands and knows that, you know, if you don't want to quit, sell the business, you know, move on a few times a year, I don't think you're grinding hard, personally. You eat, sleep, breathe the business. And it feels good when you win. It feels good when you grind through. And yeah, just sitting here, just got the 3rd truck rolling, and yeah, feels good. All right, so here's my truck, 2020. I have a 100-gallon spray tank in mine. I do a lot of termite work. As you can see, some Terminor bottles and stuff up there that have been rinsed. I just haven't disposed of. So yeah, I upgraded to this a year and a half ago, but having the 100-gallon tank is nice. Here's my original 2010 Silverado. She's got some miles on her. I think it's got almost 300,000, so we'll be looking to trade this out, get rid of this one at the end of this year, but for right now, it serves its great purpose. And so another 50-gallon tank. And so the part-time people, my wife and others, have been just kind of rotating in and out of this. And then my Colorado. So this is a spray system. So I bought this spray system like 2 or 3 years ago, and it's just been sitting in the shop, and I've kind of been just waiting. So brand new, fresh mounting board, everything running as of today. So brand new shiny system, everything. Put pool noodles on there because those hoses will rub. And so, yeah, feels good. You know, the Colorado's great. Small little mini truck, but it's great on gas mileage. Great service truck. Extended cab, so you can store things in there. And so, yeah, just feels really surreal to have 3 vehicles finally going. And then that's my son's, but I don't think we can fit a spray tank in the back of that yet. So yeah, just kind of feels surreal to have 3. And we need it. We're a little behind, but then we're also just the amount of production that I'm just filling up my water reservoir tank here. So green bucket's my spill kit back there. But yep, just filling up my water reservoir tank for my flow zone and or my hand sprayer. But yeah, 3 service trucks, finally.